If you're looking to build an online course using LearnWorlds, you're in the right place. In this quick LearnWorlds tutorial, we'll cover everything you need to know to get your course up and running in no time. But stick around, because I'm also going to show you a better alternative at the end that could help you reach your goals even faster. So let's dive right in. First things first, to build your course in LearnWorlds, you need to sign up for an account. You can start with a free trial to get a feel for the platform. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the dashboard, which is your control center for everything. The next thing you'll do is create your course. In LearnWorlds, this is easy to do. Just click on the Create button and choose Course. Now, you'll need to fill out your course details, like the name, description, and the image you want to represent it. Don't stress about making it perfect right now. You can always come back and edit these later. The third thing is adding lessons. LearnWorlds allows you to create a variety of lesson types, like videos, quizzes, and assignments. Just click Add Lesson and choose the type of content you want to add. For videos, you can upload directly from your computer or embed videos from platforms like YouTube or Vimeo. Quizzes are also a great way to engage your students and track their progress, and the platform makes it simple to set those up. Next up, let's talk about course structure. LearnWorlds allows you to organize your lessons into sections. This is where you can decide how you want to present your content. Want to break it into modules or chapters? That's totally up to you. Organizing your course like this will help your students stay on track and make your content feel more professional. The fifth thing to mention is setting up your pricing. You can choose from different pricing models like one-time payments, subscriptions, or even payment plans. LearnWorlds also integrates with major payment gateways like Stripe and PayPal, so you can start collecting payments right away. The sixth thing to keep in mind is the design. You want your course to look appealing, right? LearnWorlds gives you a lot of control over the design of your course landing pages. You can customize your pages, add your branding, and use templates to make everything look sleek and professional without needing to know any code. Now, the seventh thing to do is to set up your marketing and sales funnels. LearnWorlds gives you built-in tools to create landing pages, email campaigns, and even affiliate marketing options. These are key for growing your student base and generating sales. And if you're wondering about course certificates, LearnWorlds also lets you create and award certificates to students once they complete the course. But here's the thing, while LearnWorlds is great for creating and selling courses, it's not always the easiest to navigate for beginners. The design tools can feel a bit overwhelming, and while the features are powerful, they may not be as intuitive as other platforms. If you're looking for something more user-friendly with a simpler interface, there are definitely alternatives worth considering. Now, here's where it gets interesting. While LearnWorlds is a solid choice, I have an exclusive and extended free trial for another platform that might actually be a better fit for you. This alternative not only simplifies the course creation process, but it also offers more seamless integrations and marketing tools that can take your course sales to the next level. Plus, through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. So, if you're serious about building and growing your online course business, make sure to check out this better alternative and sign up using our link to grab that special deal. Trust me, it's worth it. Thanks for watching this LearnWorlds tutorial. Don't forget to check out the link for the exclusive deal, and I'll see you in the next one.